This is the underside of a VW Golf, an aluminium sump, and the sump plug is stripped. Quite a common fault on these. We need to put a thread insert in to repair it. First thing to do is drill out the thread, drill out the hole to 14mm. This is a special tap, another size tap. It's important that this does go in straight. This is how it started. That looks good. So we've run some clean oil through this to wash the chips out. That's the Helicoil insert, the thread insert. And that's a driving tool, drives on the little tag. Once you screw it in, you snap the little tag off. You need to make sure that the last thread's worn down below the face of the thread, which it now is. Right, and that's a little tag.
Yeah, number 61, Whiskey Mike Echo. And the other exhaust joiner, the sleeve out of there.